Why intimacy start feeling like pressure? Intimacy is supposed to feel connected or connecting. So why does it sometimes start feeling like pressure? For many people, pressure builds slowly. It doesn't like come abrupt. Like today, yesterday you performed well, today you didn't perform well. That's no. For many people, pressure builds slowly. It does not happen all at once. Maybe there was an awkward experience. Maybe there was rejection. Maybe communication got weaker. There was no communication between the couple or the partners. Maybe stress got higher. Yeah. And maybe you start feeling like you had to show up well every time. And let me tell you, there are sometimes you don't feel like it. You don't feel like being intimate with your partner. And maybe your partner feels like being intimate. So it's always good to know that you don't have to force yourself to be intimate if you're not feeling like it. If you're stressed, relax or communicate with your partner. Okay? So, and once pressure enters intimacy, your body stops reading the moment as connection and start reading it as it's now a performance. Now you have to perform. Okay? This is when the mind goes louder. You start overthinking. What if I disappoint them? What if I freeze? Wait, what if I'm not enough? What if I don't perform like before? What if this happens again? Okay. Now, intimacy is no longer just intimacy. It feels like a test. It's like you're testing yourself. Okay. This is why pressure kills connection. Pressure pulls you into self-monitoring. It makes you focus on outcome instead of closeness. The outcome. How will I perform? Instead of connecting and being close with your partner, now you are thinking of how will the performance be. It's like the outcome, okay? The first step is not to force yourself harder. The first step is to notice the pressure honestly. Notice, yes, I'm not in the right frame of mind. My head is not in the right space. I am stressed from work. Maybe there was a communication or a shame. Somebody shamed you or your partner shamed you. If you don't deal with it or communicate, it will affect your performance. Okay? So ask yourself, when did intimacy stop feeling simple? What am I afraid will happen? Those are the questions you should ask yourself. What do I feel responsible for? Awareness is where healing starts. If you're not aware, you cannot heal. And sometimes we ignore that voice that's telling us, I don't feel okay. Okay, I'm not in the right space of mind. And because of that, we pretend we don't know what's happening and we go in it blindly. Okay? So awareness is where healing starts. If you want intimacy to feel safer and calmer again, subscribe and stay with me here so that you can follow with the videos and know how you can help yourself. So subscribe, like, share, and remember to comment. Okay?